Hello students, we are doing question answers of lesson number 10 and only one question of each part is left. The question is, how does planting of trees help in making air cleaner? So we have discussed that plants use up carbon dioxide gas present in the air for producing their food using photosynthesis, and this help to reduce the greenhouse effect, and they also release oxygen and help in making air cleaner. So plants use up carbon dioxide gas present in the air for producing their food using photosynthesis. This helps to reduce the greenhouse effect they also release oxygen and help in making air cleaner. Now we have completed the question answers of this unit lesson. Now let us discuss the value-based question. So the question is, Reema and her neighbor Neha study in the same school. So Reema and Neha study in the same school, and Neha is the neighbor of Reema. Their parents used to drop them to the school separately in their own cars. So उनके पेरेंट्स उनको सेपरेटली स्कूल ड्रॉप करते थे अपनी अपनी कार्स में. One day Reema suggested to her father that she and Neha could share or pool the car, and her father appreciated the suggestion and agreed to talk to Neha's father. So now Reema suggested her father that they could do the carpool, and her father appreciated her suggestion and agreed to talk to Neha's father. Now Neha's father also liked the idea, and from the next day they started going to school together. So you can see here they are going to the school together in the same car, one car. Instead of going in separate cars, they are going in on one car only. So do you agree with Reema, and why? So Reema has suggested for carpool. So do you agree with Reema? So yes, we agree with Reema. Because why? Because when they are taking two cars separately, so they are using fuels, extra fuel, more fuels. तो सेपरेट कार जाएगी तो उसमें ज़्यादा फ्यूल रहेगा, दोनों में अलग अलग कार्स में फ्यूल रहेगा. एंड ऑल्सो बोथ द कार्स प्रोड्यूस द स्मोक. जब फ्यूल बर्न होता है तो स्मोक भी प्रोड्यूस होगा और उससे एयर पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा होगा. अब दोनों ने सेम जगह पर जाना है तो वो सेम दोनों एक ही कार में जाएंगे, तो उससे एक कार का पेट्रोल भी, तेल, ऑयल भी बचेगा, फ्यूल भी बचेगा, एंड सेकेंडली उससे जो स्मोक प्रोड्यूस होना था वो भी कम हो जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे शी हैज टेकन अ गुड डिसीजन. Now, would this practice of commuting to school help nature? Yes, so we have already discussed that it helps the nature because it saves the fuel, and secondly, it reduces the pollution. If we are using doing the carpools and using the public transport, then it helps a lot to conserve the nature. So it reduces the pollution and save the fuel. Next is something to do. So make a poster on Go Green to breathe clean using magazine pictures. So you can draw a poster, make a poster on this topic. Next is try to find out the answer of the following questions. Why do plants look greener after rain? So plants look greener after rain because rainwater washes the dust from the leaves of the plants. Otherwise what happens, जो हमारे leaves होते हैं plants के and trees के, उनके ऊपर dust इकट्ठा हो जाता है, जम जाता है, जिसकी वजह से वो ग्रीनर नहीं लगते. बट रेन से वो सारे वॉश हो जाता है डस्ट, सो उससे वो ज्यादा ग्रीन लगते हैं आफ्टर द रेन. Why are LPG and biogas called cleaner fuel? So we have already learned in previous lesson that LPG and biogas does not produce smoke and also not leave ash after burning. So that's why they are called the cleaner fuels. जब उनसे smoke नहीं produce होगा तो वो cleaner fuel होते हैं. With the help of block diagram, explain the role of nitrogen in the growth of plants. So we have already discussed the flow chart of nitrogen in the growth of plant, that how the nitrogen which is present in the air converted into nitrates, and that means salts that plants can use for their growth. And last one is power stations which burn fossil fuels to produce electricity are one of the main cause of increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. So you know, whenever the fossil fuel burns, then it produces the smoke. And power stations uses the fossil fuels like coal to produce electricity, and that is one of the cause of increasing the amount of carbon dioxide in air. So one way to reduce the air pollution caused by power station is to use less electricity. So suggest how you can try to make the efforts to reduce the electricity consumption in your home. So you know that if we use less electricity, then the power station has to produce less electricity, and they will burn less fossil fuel. So now how you can try to make the efforts to reduce the electricity consumption in your home. कैसे आप electricity consumptions को कम कर सकते हैं? So what you can do is जब हमें कोई रूम में कोई नहीं होता है तो we must switch off the lights. And अगर हमारा ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन अगर आपका फैंस चले हुए हैं, लाइट्स ऑन है और रूम में कोई भी नहीं है, तो आपने वो सारे ऑफ करने हैं, स्विच ऑफ करना है. अगर आप कहीं यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं एक्स्ट्रा लाइट और जो ऑन है तो उसको भी एक्स्ट्रा लाइट को हमने हमेशा ऑफ करना है. इन दिस वे वी कैन reduce the electricity consumption, and also we can change the bulbs or normal tube lights by LED lights. LED lights use less electricity, so उससे हम electricity consumption को reduce कर सकते हैं. So nowadays LED bulbs and LED tube lights are available in the market. अगर वो हम use करें तो उससे भी हमारी electricity consumption कम हो सकती है हमारे घरों में. So we have completed this lesson. So in next video we will start the new lesson, that is our solar system. Thank you.